On the inside, the 2019 BMW M330i gets a thorough workover. Unlike the X3 crossover recent interior redo, which felt more like refresh, the 3 Series interior changes are more dramatic. The slim dashboard is detailed by defining creases. Cool upscale touches abound, such as the knurled metallic prism that form the edges of the vent opening adjusters and iDrive knob. The leather surfaces and aluminum detailing wouldn't be out of place in a flagship vehicle. Every surface that falls to the hand has upscale feel, save for the plasticky response of the center console's stowage tray lid. The sunroof is 4 inches longer also. The instrument panel now has more room in the center for the trip computer information. Not merely because the 8.8-inch screen is larger, but also because designers revised the swing of the right side tachometer. It now registers revs counterclockwise, which takes some getting used to. Designers also placed the center console's display screen at the same elevation as the instrument panel to provide a horizon of information. BMW moved the gear shift and many control buttons rearward so that a driver must bow out their elbow and knuckles under their wrist to change many settings, compared to the easy user interface of the outgoing model. Perhaps most notably, changing driving modes is now accomplished by pressing individual buttons that are not identifiable by touch, so the driver must look away from the road to see what button they are pushing.